My superstars, today we are going to make ripe plantain chips. As you can see, we'll be using ripe plantain, but not the fully ripe plantain. This plantain is almost ripe but not overripe. My superstars, making ripe plantain chips is different from making unripe plantain chips. The first time I tried it, this is what happened, my superstars. I also discovered some other things which I'll be sharing with you in this video. Okay, my superstars, so let's get started. First, my superstars, when you're making ripe plantain chips, you wash the plantain with the peel. You don't peel out the plantain before washing it, you wash it with the peel. So now we are washing our plantain with the peel. Okay, my superstars. All right. After washing all the plantain with the peel, next you start peeling the plantain into a dry basin or tray. So right now, my superstars, I'm trying to peel my plantain into a tray, a dry tray. In making ripe plantain chips, you need your plantain as dry as possible. So my superstars, we are peeling it into a dry tray. This is to enable us be able to grip the plantain when we are trying to dice it into the hot oil. If the plantain is washed in water, after peeling, it becomes slippery. So we are washing the peel first before peeling the plantain to enable the plantain stay dry as much as possible to make it easy for us when we are dicing it into the hot oil. The process of peeling the plantain into the tray continued till we were able to peel all the plantain into the tray. Next, my superstars, you start dividing the plantain into two. This is to help you be able to dice it into the oil when the oil is hot. Okay, when you're dicing, you don't hold a long plantain. It will be difficult. Next, you place your fry pan on fire. When the fry pan is dry, you pour in the vegetable oil of your choice. We want the vegetable oil as much as possible in the pan because we'll be doing a deep frying. Okay, my superstars. While the oil is on fire, you add salt to the oil. This is to add taste to the plantain chips when it is being fried. So you add your salt in the oil and stir it. You don't add too much salt, my superstars, so your plantain chips will not be too salty. You add just a little to add taste, and then you stir it, continue stirring till all the salt has completely dissolved in the oil. Okay, my superstars. My superstars, when your oil is hot, next you start dicing your plantain chips into the oil. But my superstars, you need to make sure that the oil is not too hot because we are frying a ripe plantain. A ripe plantain gets easily burnt when the oil is hot and may not fry very well to give you a crunchy plantain chips. So my superstars, you only add the plantain when the oil is hot but not too hot. Okay, my superstars, as you can see right now, we can grip the plantain very well. It's not very slippery. A ripe plantain on its own is slippery, but since we didn't add it in water, it is not very slippery. It enables us grip the plantain well and dice it into the hot oil. Okay, my superstars, you also have to be careful because when you're handling a ripe plantain, it is very delicate, it's slippery, so you need to be careful with your finger. As you can see, I couldn't add so much to this oil because a ripe plantain gets easily over fried. Okay, this is to enable me, the ones I'm adding now, to catch up with the ones I had added earlier. If not, some will be burnt while some will not be well fried. Okay, my superstars. Okay, so don't go away. Watch, I'll show you when to remove a ripe plantain chips. The time to remove a ripe plantain chips is different from when you're dealing with an unripe plantain chips. So I'll show you in the course of this video. Okay, my superstars. From time to time, my superstars, you have to keep flipping the plantain chips so that the parts that have not been well fried can get fried. If you leave it like that in the oil, it will get burnt. Some parts will get burnt while others will not be well fried. So you have to keep flipping it from time to time and make sure it's well dipped and immersed in the oil. Okay, my superstars. My superstars, you have to keep flipping it from time to time like I'm doing right now. You turn it so the parts that have not been well fried can also have a chance of being fried in the oil. Okay, my superstars. My superstars, we're almost there. Our plantain chips is gradually turning light brownish in color. Okay, my superstars. When you're frying a ripe plantain, my superstars, when it is done, you will not hear a clanky sound. It's only in unripe plantain you hear a clanky, crunchy sound when it's well fried. But in an unripe plantain, you have to use your eyes to see when it starts getting brownish. Like right now, my superstars, it is gradually getting brownish. So it is about time to remove these plantain chips. If we keep it longer than this on fire, it will start getting burnt. So once you see a slight trace of brownishness, you start removing it from the oil. Because if it stays longer than this, when you remove it, it undergoes oxidation and becomes darker in color than this. So once it starts showing a slight trace of brownishness, you remove it, my superstars. When you remove it from the oil, my superstars, it will not be crunchy immediately. It will be very soft, very soft. So you don't have to worry when you discover that. Be calm, my superstars. After removing it from the oil for a while, and then you leave it, as it cools, it will gradually become very crunchy. Okay, my superstars. Here's what the final product looks like. Did you hear that sound, my superstars? It's very crunchy. So right now we are going to start packaging our food product. Okay, my superstars. When you have enough inside, you put in your label inside. Meanwhile, my superstars, I had done a video on how to seal without using a sealing machine. Go and check it out. My superstars, please like and share this video. If you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Thank you. Until our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.